Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trades News, come to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be alive. Great time to be at the freaking beach, guys. Happy holidays if you're in Asia and wherever you are. And we're going to be talking about what happened. What happened? A couple hours ago, about 5 hours ago, I talked about this. And we were expecting doom and gloom. And in fact, we didn't. And things are looking much better, guys. That is a great time to be alive. So we're going to explore that, why crypto didn't dump as bad as I thought it would. And let's get into it, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe me, YB like crazy. And remember, if you're a human being out there, go down there and tickle the like button. I would appreciate it. And remember, none of this is financial advice. Guys, if you do recall, I did talk about this.
Woo, hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto. Wondering what the heck is going on? Well,
what was going on?
I'm going to tell you what's going on. So,
things
is
are
it
going
all
down,
bad
right?
news? No, it's specific. It's not Dogecoin specific. And if you're on...
Okay, I talked about this like 11 hours ago. And in fact, one of the reasons that I made that video was because we had bad GDP data, right? U.S. economy contracts for the first time in 3 years. We had bad GDP data. So at that time, we did see that, XRP had dumped almost 6%, right? But if you look at where we are now, we're back up. We're back up $2.21. So it looks like the crypto community was more resilient than anticipated. So that is freaking good news. Remember, at that time we had all the Dow market, the Dow, the S&P, Nasdaq, everything was down, right? But then suddenly everything bounced back. This is unusual. The S&P rallied over 150 points off of the low today in a matter of hours. Remember, we had the GDP data. It dumped everything, right? Between 3:30 p.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the S&P futures rallied plus 75 points without any major news. 5 minutes later, Meta and Microsoft posted massive earnings. This is so strange, okay? Normally, we'd expect, like I said, we'd expect things to go down, and you can see here. We can look at where we were in terms of price action. We saw that Bitcoin was at 93,000. We saw that XRP was at 216. But look at where we are right now. We can see. You can see right here. This is. Let me make sure this is refreshed. But you can see, in fact, the market cap is up almost 0.6%. So you can see here, the market cap was down. Let's see, we go back. The market cap was at 2.93 trillion. So overall, you can see Bitcoin's at 97,974. That's 11 hours ago. But if we look at where we are now, it's almost like back up again, right? It's almost at 95,000. So that is weird, right? Weird. XRP at 221. Doge is now at 1746. 11 hours ago, Doge was at 17 cents, down 5.28%. So overall, it's kind of weird that we had this kind of everything bounced back. It's like nothing burger manipulation. I don't know. You guys speculate. What do you guys think? But it seems that the bad GDP data was easily digested. So this is good news, right? Dogecoin right now is trading at 1747. Not too shabby. We can see here that yesterday the Nasdaq and everything closed in the positive. The Nasdaq was slightly down, but overall positive. We're seeing a nice bounce back for crypto. Bitcoin's still on fire like crazy. Good news out there. Also, good news, boom. New Mastercard document mentions XRP as a bridge currency. Interesting. I'm not making this stuff up. This is actually right there. Time to get some joke, guys. Smash the freaking likes out there. Yeah. So I'm pretty surprised at how resilient crypto was and how things bounced back. It could have been a lot worse. Could have been a huge bloodbath, but it wasn't. Looks like from Ali saying the Bollinger Bands are squeezing on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. A major price move could be just around the corner. And I think so too. I think that, we've got this massive bull flag for Bitcoin here on this shorter time period. But also, if we extend the time period here, we can almost say that, I would say that looks like a massive W, right? And that could break us out. That could break us out all the way up to like $120,000. So I'm feeling something big is going to happen pretty soon for Bitcoin. Looks like the DXY, the dollar is going up, but Bitcoin is still going up. So that's probably, looks like big sell-off on gold as well. What the heck's going on with that? Oh, so yeah, interesting. Also, it looks like breaking Google reveals the Federal Reserve is preparing to adopt XRP as a global payment system. At the same time, Ripple is reportedly buying back XRP from the market, shifting ownership from retail investors to major institutions. Well, I hope this is true. I hope it's freaking true, because that would catapult XRP price to the moon. And interestingly, did you guys know Bitcoin reserves on exchanges just hit a 5-year low? Meanwhile, we have Microsoft just added 15,000 more BTC. ETFs are stacking. Sovereign wealth is circling. So why hasn't the price started exploding? Here's what most people are missing, right? Okay. Yes, Bitcoin. Okay, let's go through this. Yes, Bitcoin is flying off exchanges. Some of it's going to cold storage, bullish, long-term conviction, but large portion is flowing into institutional custody, ETFs, fund administrators, and trading infrastructure. The coins aren't gone; they're just moving upstream. Not all the Bitcoin is idle. Some of it is held passively, some held actively used in structured products, yield platforms, or other collateral, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so, and he goes on to say, Bitcoin is still a market, and in markets, sellers never disappear. Some traders are looking for short-term gains, so let's try to find out exactly the crux. Okay, he talks about miners, yes, so he's talking about supply shock. So what to understand where this is headed? Okay, let's get going. Okay, so basically he's saying that Bitcoin's price is gonna fly soon. Okay, what else is coming in? Let's take a look at Watcher Guru. What is Watcher Guru talking about? News-wise, it looks like U.S. and Ukraine is officially signed minerals deal. That's good. North Carolina House passes bill to create strategic Bitcoin reserve, bullish. Justin Ripple offers to acquire Circle. Wow. UDC stable issuer Bloomberg. This is big. This is big. Justin Visa launches crypto stablecoin payments in Latin America. Bullish. Looks like China and Donald Trump coming to the table. Nice. Justin Ford CEO says President Trump's tariff policy is great for the country. Nice. What else is coming? So things are looking pretty good overall. I'm pretty happy. Talked about DXY. We talked about W pattern here. XRP, it's just doing its thing, going sideways. We've got some resistance right here at 228. I think we're going to pop, guys. I think we're going to pop. Dogecoin also got some resistance around here. We just need to break this resistance. We need some big catalyst to happen. Guys, go check out Blowfin Exchange. No KYC. Up to 50x leverage trading. Low fees, guys. Great exchange, great platform, great guys over there. Check it out, guys. So overall, looking pretty good. Looks like Doge is consistently finding support at previous swing highs. It's just rebounded from support, matching previous swing high. Doge may have completed its pullback and could surge again soon. Let's freaking hope so. All right, guys, that's kind of what I got. Oh, I just want to talk about this. This just came in on Cointelegraph. It's kind of Doge related, right? Latest U.S. authorities arrested Netflix producer Carl Eric Rinch for misusing $11 million for sci-fi series, spending it on luxuries and investments. He now faces up to 90 years in prison, reportedly profiting $23 million from Dogecoin. Oh, okay. More Dogecoin stuff. Let's see. Dogecoin at $1. I love it. Doge will reach $1.20. I hope so. Out there. So don't forget we got 21 shares. 21 shares is coming in. Hopefully that will push things up. Hey, XRP, it's the OG. It's the freaking OG. It's the OG out there. It's my face. If you search for Doge, I pop up. So a lot of good stuff happening, guys. So I appreciate it. Go follow me on X. I appreciate it. My platform. There, follow me over here. Get some love. Show some love. I would freaking appreciate it. Let's see, what did I post recently? Let's see. Yeah, go check it out, guys. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.